In this video, I am going to explain what is a zero of a polynomial, how many zeros will be for a polynomial, and at which point the polynomial will have a zero. For this concept, we must have some basic idea on the graph of a polynomial. Let the graphs are plotted taking y equal to p of x. To give answer to the questions what, where and how many running in our minds. Here are some of the figures of, I have given some figures of the polynomials. It is not that all polynomials will be same as shown in the figures. Okay. These are just examples. Now, if you observe in the figure 1, the line is in one direction. Okay. In figure 2, the line is in the two directions. In the figure 1, it is in one direction. In figure 2, it is in two directions. Whereas in figure 3, the line is in three directions. In figure 4, it is in four directions. The line is going on in four directions. Okay. For a polynomial of degree 1, the line is in one direction. For a polynomial of degree 2, the line is in two directions. For a polynomial of degree 3, the line is in three directions. For a polynomial of degree 4, the line is in four directions. So, hence it is very clear in this these figures that the number of directions of a line in the graph of a polynomial matches the number of degree of a polynomial. Okay. Now, let us come back to our concept, that is zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial are nothing but it is the point at which the y value is 0 and the x has some value. In the case of figure 1, you can observe at this point the y value is 0 and x has some value. Similarly, in figure 2, at these 2 points the value of y will be 0 and x has some value. Okay. In figure 3, at this point the value of y is 0 and x has some value. Similarly, in figure 4, the value of x at these points is 0. X has some value. So, these points, in figure 1, this point is called as 0 of a polynomial. In figure 2, these 2 points are said to be a 0 of a polynomial. In figure 3, these 3 points are said to be 0 of a polynomial. In figure 4, these 4 points are said to be 0 of that polynomial. Okay. If you observe, if the polynomial of degree 1, for a polynomial of degree 1, the number of zeros are 1. For a polynomial of degree 2, the number of zeros are 2. For a polynomial of degree 3, the number of zeros are 3. For a polynomial of degree 4, the number of zeros are 4. Okay. Now, let x be a variable, k be any real number, p of x be the given polynomial. Then if x is equal to k, that is polynomial, in the polynomial we have to replace x with k, is it not? Then we will get some value. this value is called value of that polynomial. If this value is 0, then the polynomial is called zero polynomial. That is, if x equal to k and the value of polynomial at k is 0, then this polynomial is called zero polynomial. And this number, that is this real number k, is said to be 0 of a polynomial. 0 of that polynomial. Okay? 0 of a polynomial p of x. Okay? Let us take an example as p of x equal to x plus 1. If this is the polynomial given, for us to find the 0 of a polynomial, we have to take real numbers in the place of x. That is, it can be any number, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, so on. Any number. It can be any real number we can take. Let us take at x equal to 0. That is, let us take in place of x 0. Then this becomes p of 0 equal to 0 plus 1. This is equal to 1. We got 1. So it is a value of a polynomial but not a 0 of a polynomial. Let us calculate at x equal to 1. Then p of 1 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This is also a value of a polynomial but not 0 of a polynomial because we got a number. Now let us calculate at x equal to minus 1. Then p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So we got the value of a polynomial as 0. Hence, minus 1 is the 0 of a polynomial p of x equal to x plus 1. Hope you have understood in this video what is a 0 of a polynomial, how many zeros will be for the polynomial, and at which point the polynomial has zeros. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos on more concepts. Thank you.